Good morning, children. In today's maths class, we are going to learn between numbers. In the last class, what we learned? We learned all about before numbers and after numbers. Hope you all have finished the assignment which I gave in the last class. So, in today's maths class, we are going to learn all about between numbers. Between means what? Middle. So, I will give you a number. The middle number will be missing. You have to find the middle number. That is called between numbers. You have to find the between number. The middle number will be missing. You have to find out that number. So, you children are thorough in your numbers. So you people can do this sum easily. So let's begin our class. So I have wrote the date. I have wrote the heading between numbers. So I am writing the subheading. Write the between numbers. Write the between numbers. In the exam, they will be asking like this way only. So only I am writing the subheading also. Write the between numbers. After writing this, leave one line and write the first sum. See what number is this? Read this number 761. What number is this one? 761. What number is this? 761. So, see the middle number is missing here. So, what number is missing here? So, after that again one number is there. What number is this? 763. So, what number will be coming in between these two numbers? One number is missing here. So, after 761, the next number will be 762. So, if you are thorough in your numbers only, you can able to answer me these type of questions. Again, leave one line and the second one. See, read this question. Read the number 801. What number is this? 801. After 801, see I had given a dash and again I have wrote one number. What number is this? 803. So, the middle number, the between number is missing here. You have to write the between number. So, what number is missing here? After 801, what number will be coming, children? So, 802. 802. Yes. Again. See, read the number 111. 111. See, I had given the next number is missing. The between number is missing. The middle number is missing here. I had given the dash and I have wrote the next number. What is the next number? 113. 113. So, the middle number is missing here. The between number is missing. So, read the first number 111. After 111, 112. 112. Is that clear for you, children? Again, we will do some sums. See, what number is this? 199. 199. The next number is missing. The between number is missing here. What is the next number I have wrote here? 201. So, the middle number, the between number is missing here. So, what number is this? 199. After 199, the next number will be 200. The next number is 200. Is that clear for you, children? It is very easy only. When you are thorough in your numbers, it will be very easy for you. See, the next sum, fifth sum, E sum. 444. What number is this? 444. See, then middle number is missing. The between number is missing here. See, what number is this? Read this number. 446. 446. So the middle number is missing here. So what number will be coming after 444? 445. 445. Is that clear for you children? Yes. Again. See, read this number, the next one. 619. What number is this? 619. After that, one number is missing here. I have wrote the next number. What is the next number? 621. So between these two numbers, what is the number missing? So what number we have to write? After 619, 620. Yes. One more sum. Read this number children. What number is this? 909. What number is this? 909. After that the between number is missing. What is the next number? 911. So what number is missing here? What number is missing? So after 909, 910. So if you're thorough in your numbers only, you can able to answer these questions. Clear children? One more sum. Read this number. 988. What number is this? 988. So the next number is missing. What is the last number? 990. 990. So the between number is missing. So what number will be coming? You have to write the between number. So between these two numbers, what number is missing here? 988. What after 988? 989. Is that clear for you children? Yes. So once again I will say this. Read the heading. Write the between numbers. Write the between numbers. In the exam they will be asking the question like this way only. Write the between numbers. So see the first sum. What number is this? 761. So after 761, one number is missing, and the next number I have wrote here 763. So between these two numbers, what number is missing? 762 is missing. So I wrote here. Next sum. Whenever you are writing the first sum, leave one line and write the second sum. After finishing the second one, leave one line and write the third sum. Like that you have to continue. You have to leave one line and you have to do the sum. Is that clear for you children? Yes. See the second one. What number is this? 801. After 801 I had given the dash and I have wrote the next number 803. So between these two numbers, what is the number missing here? What number is missing here? 802. 802. The next sum. 111. After 111, one number is missing here and I have wrote the next number. 113. So after 111, what number will be coming? 112. 112. The next sum. What number is this? 199. So after that, one number is missing and I have wrote the next number. 201. So between these two numbers, what number is missing? You have to write the between number. What number is missing? After 199, the missing number is 200. Yes. Is that clear for you children? Hope you all have understood it clearly. So listen again. What number is this? 444. 444. After that, one number is missing. So the next number is 446. 446. So after 444, what is the next number? 445. So I wrote 445. The next sum. What number is this? 619. 619. After that I had given the dash and I have wrote 621. 621. So what number is missing here in the middle? After 619, 620. 620. Again, what number is this? 909. 909. So I have given the next one a dash. What is the next number? 911 I wrote. So what number is missing in the middle? After 909, 910. 910. So the next sum, what number is this? 988. 988. So the next number is missing. I had given the dash and the next number is 990. So what is the middle number is missing? What number is missing in the middle? After 988, the next number is 989. Hope you all have understood the between numbers. Next is, we are going to see table 3. So previously we have learned 2 tables. Now we are going to see table 3. So after writing the heading, leave one line and write the table. 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. So 3 ones are 3. You have to say along with me children. 3 ones are 3. So after that, whether I have to leave a line? No, you are not supposed to leave a line. Continue writing. In your when you are writing table 2 also, we haven't leave any line. So continue writing line. Don't leave a line when you are writing your table. The next thing, 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. You have to nicely memorize this children. You have to nicely by heart this. Is that clear? Yes. After that, 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. 3 fours are 12. Next, 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 6 equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 8 equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 9 equal to 27. 3 multiplied by 10 equal to 30. 3 multiplied by 11 equal to 33. 3 multiplied by 12 equal to 36. So once again we are going to say the 3 table. You should say along with me. Is that clear for you children? Yes. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Next, 3 elevens are 33. 3 elevens are 33. 3 elevens are 33. 3 twelves are 36. 3 twelves are 36. 3 twelves are 36. So, in your home also you have to open your mouth and you have to say the table. Daily you have to say the table. Keep one small chart, write 2 table, 3 table, and in your second standard we will be learning table till 10 table. So it's better you write one table in a small chart and hang it somewhere you can see it daily. So daily you have to see that and you have to say the table. Make that as a practice. Is that clear for you children? Otherwise you will forget the table easily. So hope you all do make that as a practice. Daily you have to see the chart and you have to learn the table in your home. Next, so today what we have learned? We have learned between numbers. We have learned between numbers, and next what we have learned? We have learned table 3. So now I am going to give a small sums. Okay, based on this between numbers and table 3, I am going to give some sum. You can do it in your home. Is that clear for you children? Yes. Write the between numbers. Write the between numbers. The first one, 699 dash. See, what number is this children? 699. What number is this? 699. So you have to find the between numbers. So the between number is missing here. What number is this? 701. So between these two numbers, what number is missing? That you have to write in your notebook. Is that clear for you children? Yes. See, second sum. What number is this? 617. What number is this? 617. So after 617, see one number is missing. The between number is missing. So between these two numbers, what number is missing? You have to write that. Is that clear? Yes. See, what number is this? Read this number, 119. 119. So after that, one number is missing. The between number is missing here. Between these two numbers, one number is missing. You have to find that number and you have to write it here. Is that clear? Yes. What number is this, children? 711. What number is this? 711. 711. After that, one number is missing and the next number I have wrote here. 713. You have to find the between number. What number is this? 850. What number is this? 850. So after that, one number is missing here and I have wrote the next number. What is the next number? 852. So between these two numbers, the middle number, the between number is missing. So you have to write that between number. What number is this? 971. 971. 971. So after that, the next number is missing here. So what number is this? 973. So between these two numbers, one number is missing. You have to write the between numbers. What number is missing? You have to find it and you have to write it. What number is this? 555. 555. So the next number is missing here. You have to write, you have to find that and you have to write here. What number is this? 557. 557. So the middle number is missing here. You have to write the between number. See, what number is this? 210. So the next number is missing here. And what number is this one? 212. So you have to find the between numbers. You have to find the between numbers. You have to do the small assignment in your home, in your small rough note. Is that clear for you, children? Yes. Try to maintain a small max rough note in your home. Again. Next, what and all we have learned today? We have learned between numbers, and then what we have learned? We have learned table 3 also. So based on that, I'm giving the question. So we have finished writing between numbers. So now we are going to write for table. I'm going to give some sums based on table 3. So write the fill-ups. Write the fill-ups. The first one. 3 multiplied by 7 equal to dash. So you have to be thorough in your table, otherwise you will not be able to answer this. So when you are learning table in the exam, they will ask tables and tables and fill-ups. They will be asking choose the correct answer, or else they will be asking in match the following also. So you have to be thorough in whichever part they are asking. You have to be thorough. Is that clear for you, children? Yes. So 3 7s are equal to dash. So immediately you have to answer. Again, 3 multiplied by 1 equal to dash. Whenever you are writing the question, leave one line and continue writing. Leave one line and write. Next. 3 multiplied by 12 equal to dash. Next, 3 multiplied by 6 equal to dash. 3 multiplied by 4 equal to dash. F. 3 multiplied by 2 equal to dash. 3 multiplied by 9 equal to dash. Next one. 3 multiplied by 8 equal to dash. So in the exam they will ask multiplication. They will ask the table in fill in the blanks, or they will ask in choose the correct answer, or they will be asking in match the following also. Is that clear for you children? So you have to nicely memorize the table. So one more question. Any number multiplied by 0 is what? The last class itself I have taught you. Any number multiplied with 0 gives you 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is what? 0. One more sum. 3 multiplied by 0 equal to dash. 3 multiplied by 0 is what? 0. Any number multiplied with 0 gives you the answer 0. Remember that, you should not get confused. Any number multiplied with 0 is always 0. Remember that. Is that clear for you children? Yes. So in today's class, what and all we have learned? We have learned all about between numbers. We have learned all about between numbers and table 3. We have learned table 3 and between numbers, and based on that I had given some assignment. This you have to do it in your home as an assignment. In between numbers I had given 8 sums. See, I had given 8 sums, and based on table 3 I had given 9 sums. See, I had given 9 sums. This also you have to finish in your rough note which you are maintaining in your home. Try to maintain one small rough note for maths in your home. Is that clear for you children? Yes. So once again we will learn table 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. 3 elevens are 33. 3 elevens are 33. 3 twelves are 36. 3 twelves are 36. So in your home also nicely open your mouth and learn table. So far we have learned table 2 and table 3. So we will be learning till table 10 in our second standard. Is that clear for you children? After learning table, you can write it in a small piece of paper, and you can see in your home itself. You can take a small paper and you can write it in a piece of paper. These two tables. Is that clear? 2 table as well as 3 table. Is that clear for you children? Yes. Hope you all have understood today's portion between numbers and table 3. So before coming to the next class, hope you all finish this assignment and come for the next class. Is that okay for you children? Yes. With this, I am winding up my class. Okay. Thank you children.